guys, today I'm going to be going to Hobby Lobby, so I just wanted to show you some of the things that I needed to get. As you know, I am a graphic designer, and I've talked before in my videos saying that I don't have the supplies that I once had. I end up throwing things away or things get lost, so I'm trying to slowly rebuild all of my items back so that I can have pens, paper, and things like that. So this is what I'm going to be doing, so hopefully you'll find some things that you like as well. Alright, so I don't think I showed everything that I got when I walked around the store. So here I am at the checkout now, putting my things up here, making sure I got everything that I needed. I did cut my trip kind of short because of just, you know, being in the store with a mask on. It gets hot, so I ended up spending about $200, which wasn't bad for the things that I got. From the paper studio, I wanted to show you these pens, and you can see the different point sizes that I have. I do letter and do hand-drawn type for some of the projects that I have, so I can't wait to use those pens. These canvas totes, the bags are really cute to kind of carry your stuff around in on a day-to-day basis. So I got that. I'm gonna use the Cricut to put some of my artwork on it. I got these blades and the X-Acto knives, and I'm gonna use this paper cutter for some of the things that I send out in my orders. I also got a mat too, so I think I needed both of these. I started just to get the mat at first, but I think the blade on the other cutter is a little bit more precise and it just helps you get it done a little faster. So I picked both of those up. I also got some tape because it's nothing worse than needing to glue something down and then you don't have tape. So I went ahead and got the refills too, because I remember whenever I was in college, I always had to borrow tape from people. It was horrible. So I'm trying to do better about having my own supplies. And then I got this craft paper, and hopefully I can do something with this too. I don't know. I figured that I could probably do some projects at home with that stuff too. Alright, so I have some stickers here that I'm going to be sending out. Somebody made an order, so I'm going to go ahead and get her things ready. This is the Rosa Parks sticker, and then I did another one that says love black people like you love black culture, and I've been giving those out for free. And so but you can find the prices in my Etsy shop if you want to check that out. So I'm just going to go ahead and pack some of this up and go ahead to my Etsy shop and do some edits, because I'm going to add something in there as well. And you can just have a look while I do it. Alright, so I contacted this girl on Instagram that was giving out some free postcards that says Black Lives Matter, and mine just came in today. So I'm really excited about that and just wanted to share it with you. Yeah, so I love receiving free things and I love giving them out as well. Alright, so with one of my orders that someone purchased, they did the Rosa Parks stickers, and this was all part of the Black Lives Matter movement with everything that's been going on. So I decided to send them a little free gift with their purchase. I'm going to cut these cards out, and then you can add these to like your wall or on your desk, just some encouraging inspiration little cards for your daily basis. So I'm going to put that in their envelope as well and send that off to them. I always like to do kind of behind the scenes shots. So I'm gonna take this picture so that I can post it on my Instagram page, and it just shows out the cut cards that I did that you can hang up. And in a minute I'll show you where you can hang them up or how you can hang them up. But I just wanted to show you guys that. And then this is the other orders that I have to put up for today. So one customer ordered a sticker, and I just added in a second one, Disrespect Others card. It's kind of like a little postcard or just some wall art that you can hang up. This Hey Babe magnet, and then I'm going to add in this free sticker for that order. And it just says, do your thing, girl. And I'm going to show you here on the wall where you can hang your stuff up at, like those little cards for the BLM. You could just put little clothespins up here or text, either way, and you can hang those up. So that's what that's for. And as you guys can see, this is before I bought my cutting board and the mat. So I am using a legit ruler and an X-Acto knife. And then this red thing is actually a kitchen cutting board. We had to get all the way ratchet. And I decided I just could not do this anymore. And that's why I went and bought the proper supplies. This make time for you is actually something you can put on the wall, but I had some requests for it to be turned into a sticker, so I did that, and you'll see it a little bit later on at the end of the vlog. Okay, if you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen this already because I pretty much post all of my stuff there before I vlog it. But these are some mailers so that when you get an order from me of my work, it'll come in this. So it just says mood of the day, killing it, and I lettered that on my mom's iPad Pro, and it just has my shop name for Etsy down here. But yeah, I'm really excited to send these out. So go check out my Etsy store and buy something. So I can see you something in this cute bag. The shop is XO Crisco. So yeah, go to Etsy, order something, and then I will send you something out in this cute little bag. Here are what I thought were stickers, but they're actually magnets. But it's a girl that I drew with a bag on the back, or with a book bag on her shoulder, and it says mood of the day, and it did say killing it at the bottom, but the sticker, I mean the magnet is so small to where that is kind of hard to read, or you can't read it out actually. So I guess I'm going to give these away on my Etsy shop, or I mean if you want one, I still have some left. Comment below. I think I only have 9 of these right now, so I'm gonna have these for free. If you want to hit me up on Instagram, Etsy, or here on YouTube, you can. And then these are for free too. I have a few more of these stickers left. It's just like a very faint line on this sticker. You probably can't even see it. It's like going up right here, and I didn't like that line, so I didn't want to sell these stickers, so I'm just gonna give them away for free. So you guys can let me know if you're interested. But these are the magnets, and they're still cute. It's just I don't like the fact that I wanted you to be able to read the text on the actual book bag, and you can't see it. So yeah, she's holding coffee in her hand, and she has a ring on her finger too. I don't know if it's gonna zoom in on that real good, but yeah, pretty cute. But yeah, so that's all for the magnets. I actually went ahead and bought a scale. I went to the post office the other day, and they didn't have any in stock, like they all were sold. So I'm not even sure what they look like at the post office. So I went ahead and got one from Walmart, and it's just like a food scale, but I've heard that this basically works and does the same thing that another scale would do. So I tried to get one that was really flat. Let me sit you down because it's just not working out. Let's see. Hopefully you won't fall right there. All right, so this is what I have. Yeah, it's pretty slim. Oh, I like it. I can't even remember what the other one looked like now. And it came with batteries, so that's pretty good. But this is what it looks like from the side. Small and slim like I want it. Okay, So I just pulled up. I'm going to get something done for design. You guys, I don't know where I am. She told me to park up here and just walk to the glass double doors. People really don't give good directions to people when they lost. I really don't know where I'm going. I wonder if I can go in here and see. Let me see. I found it. Alright, so I wanted to show you what the notepad looked like. The color is a bit off, but I'm not trying not to complain about it. I'm gonna open it up and see, because I'm hoping that this isn't. Do you see how that is? It looks like it's off. It's supposed to be one big notepad. I'm just gonna open it and see if there's something else up under it, because I'm not sure, honestly. Let's see. Alright, so those turned out to be two different notepads. So I'm just online ordering another notepad from a different company. This one is going to be a little shorter. So I'm waiting to get this one in to see if I like it a little bit better. But yeah, you can still order it on Etsy if you want to. But hopefully I'll get the other one in soon. So while I'm sitting here going through my Etsy account, I just like to go ahead and do inventory and make sure that I know how many stickers and magnets and just everything I have, to make sure that if somebody bought something, that I go ahead and take it off of Etsy and make sure that everything is accurate. And I think I showed you earlier where I did some wall art for someone and they wanted me to turn it into a sticker. So this is what this is here, and so I went ahead and updated that in Etsy as well. These are 3x3 stickers and it just says make time for you, just a little inspiration for your day-to-day things. But yeah, you can find it on Etsy or comment below if you're interested, and I'll be glad to send you one. I also wanted to let you know that I'm going to be updating the Etsy shop with a care package in there. So it would include like 3 stickers, maybe a magnet and a notepad and maybe some wall art, and then you can get all that in, like, in a bundle. So I'm working on that now, so maybe I'll include that in the vlog for next time. I'm trying to work on the color of these 2 pads, because you can see like both the yellows are like a tint off. So I'm just trying to correct some things before I put them in my Etsy shop, but I just wanted to let you know about that. My notepad came in, so I wanted to show you guys before I packed it up to send it off to the customer that bought it. So this is the designed notepad that I did, and it's the 4.5 by 5.5, and this was the one that I showed you guys like just I think like a few days ago, the original size. And I do like the long one a lot too. It's more space, but I really like this one too. Alright guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. So I just wanted to leave you with this bag. It's a canvas tote, and I did this lettering on the iPad Pro, and then I just put it on this bag, and it's in my Etsy shop if you guys are interested. But I wanted to show you that this is the last thing I think I've worked on this week. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you all for watching, and please leave me a comment if you have any questions.